In a world of fast-paced communication, active lifestyles require active solutions. Introducing the Shell2D. Shell2D is not only incredibly easy to install, but the magnetic mounting bracket conveniently secures the phone and keeps the Shell2D always ready. With an amazingly thin profile, the Shell2D won't make your phone bulky or difficult to use. Shell2D uses an innovative shielding technology that does not interfere with the phone signal. The Shell2D design does not interfere with your phone's functionality, allowing you to top up using existing charge leads or our own stylish dock. The Shell2D incorporates both fashion and technology, allowing you to change style, talk longer, watch more, surf better, play harder, listen easier.
Our smart, creative team has worked hard to create a product that we are very excited to share with you. The Shell2D is a beautiful realization of design and technology that benefit users with greater convenience and long-lasting power, but we can't do it without you. We hope that our dedication and hard work is appreciated, and the Shell2D will benefit users everywhere. Please have a look at our story and support us today. Thank you.